Let me show you how to create a full Google Ads campaign using ChatGPT and InsightfulPipe. Go to InsightfulPipe connectors and click Add Connection. Choose Google Ads and set the permissions to read plus write. Sign in with your Google account and grant access to your Google Ads data. Select the ad account you want to connect, then click Connect. The connection is saved. Copy the MCP server URL. In ChatGPT, go to Settings, then Apps, then create a new app. Paste the InsightfulPipe MCP URL, name it, and click Create. The InsightfulPipe MCP is now connected to ChatGPT. Now write the prompt. Ask ChatGPT to create a Google Ads campaign named MCP Connectors with a $10 daily budget, an ad group with relevant keywords, and a responsive search ad pointing to InsightfulPipe.com all in pause status. ChatGPT connects to Google Ads through InsightfulPipe and starts building the entire campaign structure automatically. It creates the campaign, adds the ad group with keywords, and builds the responsive search ad. The campaign is created successfully. Let's open Google Ads and verify. The MCP Connectors campaign is right there in the account, paused and ready. The ad group has 5 MCP-related keywords, and the responsive search ad is created with the headline, description, and destination URL exactly as we asked. That is ChatGPT connected to InsightfulPipe. If you'd like to try more MCP servers for your marketing platforms, visit InsightfulPipe.com today.